More than ever, there is increased pressure on facilities to be as clean as possible, but no matter how clean an area is, the presence of foul malodors will convey an unsanitary impression. Just covering obnoxious odors is not enough. You need to destroy them. Eternity Malodor Destroyer contains proprietary MCA odor inhibitors, which change the molecular structure of odor-causing substances and fills your area with a fresh, modern MODA fragrance, controlling foul odors for up to 24 hours. Available in a ready-to-use aerosol or a concentrated liquid, which can also be used as an additive to cleaning solutions.